Hi everyone, welcome back to Mella's channel.
We have here something fun, and this one is a Labubu card pack. Like it's a loot bag filler that is what's endorsed on the shops when you buy this kind of things. And it has 36 packs inside. And also, do not expect the card quality is good. It would be like the fake Pokemon that I first uploaded before. But let's give it a try. Let's give it a chance. Maybe this time I'll be more satisfied than the first one that I got. And I did saw some videos and photos of these Labubu cards. That's why I ended up getting giving it a try again. Like maybe once wasn't enough. Maybe this time we will see if I like it or not still, or but it's still good for like giving to kids. And here we have a Labubu. Like there's no rarity for this one, and you'll hear me say a lot the word Labubu because this is all Labubu, and I'm not sure if they have different names. I'm very sorry. But yes, I'll just call them Labubus, and the color by color. And here, like this one, we have a pink and a balloon. And this pack, like for one pack, it should have 8 cards inside, but sometimes it does not have 8 cards inside. Sometimes seven, sometimes nine. So, yes, but the design or the artwork or the image they used for these Labubu cards are really nice and vibrant actually, like a lot more better, like it is better, but the card quality is still the same, the foiling is still the same. Like you cannot see the foiling right now because the sun is so hot and it's summertime, that's why. But here I'll kind of show you if it's seen on the camera, but probably not. But here we have like a Labubu and is another pack. Like this would be just fast. I'll try to be fast opening this pack. But so far I haven't really seen any doubles or a lot of doubles since we are just opening the first set. Like hopefully we get we don't get a lot of duplicates. And here we have a gray labubu, a garden, and here's a honeybee labubu, and here's someone holding a pinwheel. Like here we have a lemon bat and a sleeping labubu, and we have a ballerina labubu and a labubu holding a banana. Like very random, but I really like how pastel the image is, like really eye catching to the eyes. And there's actually another set that I saw that I was interested in, and it was a baby tree cards. Like it's like this, very vibrant as well. Like as I have told you, I have already seen some sneak peeks of what I could get inside these packs. And also so far upon opening these cards, like I'm not mad about it, especially I really like how vibrant the cards are. And so far, so good. Like the centering is good for the most part. There are cards that I have noticed that are not as centered as others, but it's okay. We can go through with that. But I don't think I have seen and hopefully will not see a miscut, a super miscut one. Because if you remember, the first one that I have opened, like there's a lot of damage, like super random, like almost one fourth of it was damaged. But this time, like I have been opening packs and there's not a lot of cards that are damaged. Like I could feel some of the cards have a rough edge on the most part, and some of the cards have scratch, but nothing so bad, and not a lot of, like there would be some cards that have it's not centered, like the image is not centered, but it's still like good, even though it's not centered, like still good image. And also another good thing is like there's a lot of colors. Like I just love how colorful this is, and like the packaging, the packs, like there are three variants or four variants of the packs. Like here we have the orange one, and it's pretty easy to open actually, even if I don't use the scissors. But just to be fast, like I like to use the scissors so that I could get all the cards all in one, since I open three packs at a time. But later on, I'll just open the packs and look the card so that it would be faster, or else it would be really boring. But here we have a brown labubu, like here we have a cupid, and here we have a bicycle. Like here we have a green labubu, a blue labubu, and we have here like a labubu, another labubu. And for the next batch, like this would be the pack, second batch. And again, we're gonna be opening three packs at a time. And I'll be uploading a shorts video of this, but not a lot, since you will get bored if I do upload everything in shorts as well. But at least here in the long video, you will get the gist of what you could get inside these packs. And also, I also got the Labubu Pogs at the same time. Like the Pogs will go up first, since I was uploading a Pog series already. And the other kind of videos, like for sure there would be One Piece videos coming soon. But for now, I'll just finish these like loot bug fillers toys. And also, like there's another kind of toys, like it's like a mini Lego that I would be also uploading. Like since this videos takes a lot of space, I uploaded them like thrice a week. Like this week I uploaded like four videos. Like the Labubu Pogs was a bonus video, since I uploaded Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, then a bonus on Sunday. But not all the time I'll be able to upload a lot like that. But for now I can, since I have a lot of fun filming these toy videos. And like they're not really collectible, like they're meant to be played with. This kind of toys are like meant to be played, and this kind of cards, this Labubu cards especially, has like a rock paper scissor system playing. Like the kids that I know place them by clapping their hands and looking at which one wins by the rock paper scissors on the top corner. Or they would play it like it's on the desk and they would pull a card and see who wins by rock paper scissors, something like that. That's the concept for these cards. And it's really pretty fun, like if you see kids like playing, but it's really expensive if you buy them beside the school or near the school. So I don't really recommend them buying near the school since it's really pretty expensive. But if you buy them on other stores, not nearby school, like it would be definitely much cheaper. And here, like more packs to open. Like when you thought it's finished, it's not. And it's about 15 minutes. This video is about 15 minutes and it's pretty long, but at least you would get the gist of all the cards you could get inside each pack and decide for yourself if you want to buy one or not. And here we have a lemon bat labubu, a sleeping labubu, and a ballerina labubu. And so far, when I arrange these cards, like three is the highest repeat and two is the lowest repeat, and there are other images that do not repeat at all, doesn't have any doubles at all, and also like there's a lot, and it's not a bad thing, it's a really good thing that there's a lot of different kind of images they did use for this one. So the kids could really have fun on the characters and all, but really organizing everything is really hard since I did it by colors, then sort through them all. Like it's a very thick card. Like there's 36 packs and some have 8 cards, some have 9 and some have 7. So there would be like really a lot of cards inside these packs. And especially if you open the whole 36 packs, which I did. But there are a lot of like characters here that I really do like the pink labubu, like they're pretty cute, and the green and the yellow orange one, they're so adorable. And here, like we have a brown labubu, a gray one, and another brown. And this is like a funny girl. And here we have a pink bike and a brown and someone hiding inside the pot, a robot, and here's like a cancer labubu, and here we have a brown labubu, in orange labubu. Like for the labubu, like for the cards versus the pugs, like I would still recommend the cards instead the pugs. Like I was disappointed with the pugs since the print quality is not really good and the designs are like just 20 designs. Like there's 90 pogs in there, but there's only 20 images that they use, and the print quality is not nice, but the pogs are thick, so it's much better quality on the other pogs that I have. And like let's go back, like here we have a Leo pog and we have a dinosaur Labubu, I mean Labubu, not Pogs. And here we have a ballerina Labubu. And we have a sleeping Labubu, another bat Labubu, and a hot air balloon Labubu, and another Labubu, the green Labubus. Then we have a relaxing Labubu. And here we have like a cake Labubu, and here's like this one's so nice. And a male labubu, the pink labubu, the white labubu, and we have a skull and another labubu, a rocket labubu, and this one's a nice one. This one is also like there's really a lot of nice cards in this set. And here are the images. Like, I did take a while and sort them out and take a photo of everything so that you could see all the cards that you could get inside. That I'm not joking, there's not a lot of repeat on the card packs that I have opened. I'm not sure if the other sets would be the same, but for the ones that I have opened, these are all the cards that I got.
Thank you for watching, everyone. See you again and follow for more.